You know when your ponytail is just looking really rough, but you're not quite ready for a new hairstyle yet? I have just the remedy for you guys in this video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to revamp your ponytail. It's going to be looking really put together, so you can rock it for a bit longer. If that's something you're really interested in, let's get right into the video. Hi guys, my name is Hilda. I am a Nigerian Lagos-based YouTuber. If you know someone that would appreciate or needs this video, ensure to share, or you could drop a comment so you can always come back to the video anytime you need to. Let's get into the video. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? You guys, so we're about to attempt fixing up my hair without actually going to the salon with those products I just showed you now. Wish me luck, because what if my hair ends up looking so bad and I wasted a lot of time that I would have used to be at the salon? Or never say never. So what do we do first? We need to get a black thread. I'ma take you to a new place, close your eyes and go to sleep. I ain't talking about a nightmare. So don't hold baby, I want you to dream. These products are very important. So I'm going to mix all of this together and apply on my hair. You guys will be wondering what exactly she's doing, but if you've ever used hair mayonnaise on your hair before, you would know exactly what I'm doing. It makes your hair have this very soft moisture, very soft feel. So it's already looking put together. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch you do? I know what time it is right now. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me first. Come and see me first. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it? Come and see me first. Come and see me first. Oh, don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me. You guys, this process has just been going so well. Too well, actually. Because tell me why I was going to go to a salon to sit and spend my money when I could do this at home. And it's going so well. It's going well. I'm good. No, sorry, I'm bad. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? No, we make time for the things that we want. You got a little nigga trying to play the part. Cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. Oh, it's decorated. This thing's getting one-sided, I can't even lie.